In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that is able to draw a vertical line and execute a sell trade as soon as the current candle is the highest candle. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that identifies the highest candle and executes a sell trade if certain conditions are met. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. First, we include the trade library to use its functions for trading operations. We create an instance of the CTrade class named Trade. Inside the OnTick function, we calculate the bid price by using SymbolInfoDouble with the symbol bid parameter and normalize it to the number of digits specified by digits. We create an array named PriceInformation to hold price data. The ArraySetAsSeries function is used to sort the array from the current candle downwards. We then fill this array with price data for the last 100 candles using the CopyRates function. Next, we create a variable named HighestCandle to store the index of the highest candle. We also create an array named High to hold the highest prices. The ArraySetAsSeries function is used again to sort this array from the current candle downwards. We fill the High array with the highest prices data for the last 100 candles using the CopyHigh function. We calculate the highest candle by using the ArrayMaximum function, which returns the index of the highest value in the High array. If the highest candle is the current candle, index 0, and there are no open positions, positions total equals 0, we execute a sell trade of 10 microlots. The trade.sell function is used with parameters for the lot size, symbol null, price, bid, stop loss, bid plus 150 points, take profit, bid is 50 points, and comment null. We then call the drawLine function to draw a vertical line on the chart. The comment function is used to display the index of the highest candle on the chart. The drawLine function first deletes any existing line named line on the chart. It then creates a new vertical line object named line at the current time, using object create. The line's color is set to magenta using object set integer with the objprop color parameter, and its width is set to 1 using the objprop width parameter. We press F7 to compile the code. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should now see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that identifies the highest candle and executes a sell trade with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, by now you should see a vertical line on your chart. I hope everything worked well. If it was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what all the code is doing, maybe the premium course on our website might be interesting for you. For now I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.